Nice and low. A little further every rep. A little further every rep. Big guys. On the way.
And I gotta take that hand off. I gotta be Stick it down. Stick it down. Push.
Grab.
One more time. You fucking guys finish.
Every day. Set, go. Good. Go up every day. Set, go. Good. Feet up.
Twos are up. Let's go. You're uncovered. And we're looking at going to the stroke. Push the trees. Line 3, line 5. Slide. Go. Oh, we good. Good, that's it. If it's not clean, hang it onto him and we're climbing. Right? Close, right? So again, as I'm galloping, all I do is just shuffle up and in, trying to get hip to hip with him. He's outside, I'm picking off 2 hands, we're driving. Okay, try to knock it hard. If he's at all thick on him, he'll tear it off and we'll be over the top.
Tacklers use that jab and pop.
We're up. Good, that's it.
If I'm like this, my feet are like this, I'm on 2 different planes. You gotta get here and low, right? Here we go. Set, hit low. There we go, good. Keep that arm extended, all right?